के कितनी वैल्यू पर ये दोनों इक्वल होते हैं फाइंड करना मींस के का कौन सी वैल्यू पर एलएचएल आरएचएल सेम आता है फाइंड करना है राइट फाइंड वैल्यू ऑफ के वेयर द फंक्शन शुड बी continuous at x equal to pi. So same as it is we can find the value of function and which point we have to find value of function at x equal to pi. At x equal to pi we can find the value of the function. Next we find the LHL, then we find the RHL and equate them to get the value of k. Why we have to equate them? Because given that function is continuous. And a function continuous is kottara, so LHL equal to RHL equal to value ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. LHL equal to RHL equal to value of function लेना, वो equal करके k का value find करना, right? वो equal दिया है अभी, मतलब ये दिया ना continuous function दिया है ना. Continuous function is nothing but LHL is equal to RHL is equal to value of the function. Then equate that to get the value of k. So first value of function pi. Tell me what is f of x here? At x equal to pi, f of x is given as kx plus 1. At x equal to pi, f of x is given as kx plus 1. At x equal to pi, f of x is kx plus 1. So now what is f of pi? F of pi is equal to k pi plus 1. F of x is kx plus 1 and x equal to pi. Then f of pi, put x equal to pi. Here x equal to pi, right? K pi plus 1. LHL is nothing but when x is less than pi. See, x is less than pi. When x is less than pi, again f of x is kx plus 1. LHL is limit of the function f of x when x less than pi. Less than pi means pi minus परिवेका, pi minus लिखना उसको. तो whenever x less than pi, what is f of x given? F of x is given as kx plus 1. Right? Whenever x is less than pi तभी f of x कितना है? kx plus 1 है. Less than pi दिले, आवाज f of x सेम कोटा ले kx plus 1, right? But again k x equal to pi put ಮಾಡಬೇಕು k pi plus 1 है x equal to pi डालो इधर तो k pi plus 1 आ जाता है. This is the LHL. Now we have to find the RHL. So RHL is equal to limit of the function f of x when x tend to pi plus, that is limit of the function x tend to pi plus means x greater than pi. When observed, when x is greater than pi, f of x is given as cos x. x greater than pi जब है ना तब f of x कितना है इधर cos x है, right? f of x greater than pi आवाज कितना f of x ये तो होगा cos x तो होगा इन्हें cos x put मारेगा, right? So what is given x? Pi given. So cos pi x is given as pi cos pi आएगा. The value of cos pi is minus 1. Cos of finite is minus 1. Okay. Cos n pi is minus 1 when n is odd integer. Cos n pi is n is odd integer. That is cos pi, cos 3 pi, cos 5 pi, all it is minus 1. And cos n pi is plus 1. Cos n pi plus 1 when n is even integer. That is cos 0. Cos 2 pi, cos 4 pi, cos 6 pi, cos 8 pi, that is 1. Cos 3 pi, cos 5 pi is minus 1. Okay, remember that. So now what is cos pi value here? Minus 1. So now it is given that f is continuous function. F is continuous function at point x equal to pi. At x equal to pi, the function is continuous. At x equal to pi, the function is given continuous. ಇದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರಲ್ಲ, this is given. Okay, continuous ಐತಿ ಯಾವ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಐತಿ continuous at x equal to pi. Continuous है इसका मतलब क्या? LHL equal to RHL होना वाला. LHL is equal to value of function f of pi. तीनों सेम करना. LHL equal to RHL is equal to value of the function. ಇದು ಮೂರು ಸೇಮ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, right? f of pi equal to LHL equal to RHL. So what is f of pi? कितना दिया? k pi plus 1. k pi plus 1. Now what is RHL? कितना है? RHL is minus 1. ऐसा ना देखो f of y k by plus 1 that is RHL is minus 1 and LHL is k by plus 1 right ये तो दोनों इक्वेट है no problem that so equate these two now ये इक्वल कर दो ना इक्वेट के क्या होता है आपको भी k pi is equal to this minus 1 this plus 1 take to RHS minus 2 minus 1 this plus 1 is RHS means minus 1 minus 2 it is k pi is equal to minus 1 this plus 1 take to RHS minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 then k is equal to minus 2 divided by pi value of k how much minus 2 divided by pi so at this point as at this value of k minus 2 by pi this function will be continuous at x equal to pi right find the value of k find the value of k find the value of k if the function is continuous if the function is continuous at given point if the function is continuous at given point kx plus 1 if x less than or equal to 5 3x minus 5 if x greater than 5 continuous at x equal to 5 continuous at x equal to 5 and second one continuous at x equal to 5 right f of x equal to kx square if x less than or equal to 3 if x greater than 2 is continuous at x equal to continuous at x equal to 1 if x less than or equal to 1 k if continuous at x equal to 1 so these are the homework